Today we make mini samosa. Dough, mashed potato, green peas, turmeric. Mix, 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 mix. Time to make some triangles. Triangle. Look, I made a triangle. I made a triangle. Time to make a triangle. Let's press the edges. Look, it's a triangle. Wow, they're golden brown. Yay, I did it. So tasty. Bye-bye, friends.